Zach and Frank with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung 75-inch 900R 8K TV. We'll get it out of the box, show you what it looks like, and everything that's included. These two little straps in shipping, you have to cut them, and then the whole top just slides right off. And then down at the bottom of the box on the top side is where the manual and everything is. You can see Samsung does a really good job of protecting the product during shipping. They put this on the front of the glass, which protects it from getting hit by things during shipping. We have padding, which protects the top and the bottom sides. This is the user manual for the item that's included. This is just like a quick start guide. The full-blown manual is online, but here's everything that's included. You can see this particular unit has the Connect 1 cable, the fiber optic connection, the remote. They also have some little pins for the covers, as well as the power cable to the TV, and then the batteries included for the remote. And this is for the reel for the fiber cable if you're gonna coil it up. That's everything that's in the bag. I'll get the remote out so you can see what that looks like. So here's the remote. This is standard, same remote they've been using on the Samsungs. It looks like they've actually changed these buttons down here though. Either added them or changed them. You have Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu built into the remote. It's kind of cool. Other than that, the design looks the same as the older models, the base models. It does have 3-prong power cord with ground. And again, we're going to surge protect this. This is the Connect 1 cable. You can see it's labeled TV. You slide this off and this end plugs into the television. And then this side goes into your Connect 1 box. Frank's over here working on getting the wall mount bracket on the back of the TV. We're going to wall mount this up on a full motion bracket. This is the Connect 1 box. This thing is a beast. I mean, no joke, this thing probably weighs like 10 pounds. Here's what's on it. You have the USB connectors on the side, USB 2.0. Back side, we have power, link, antenna, optical out. We're going to be using ARC through HDMI 3. It also has a LAN port to hardwire it. And then a couple more HDMI ports. This is where the Connect 1 connects. There's the bottom of it. And then it has a plastic cover on it, which we'll go ahead and take off. Very nice, clean finish. So there's a couple different things you can do with this box. You could either leave it up behind the television. You could like mount it to the wall behind the TV. You could also run the Connect 1 cable down through the wall and set it on the stand. Depending on your circumstance, we also sell enclosures where you can mount this inside of the wall to make it extremely flush mount. It all just depends on your expectations and how you want the TV to look visually. We will probably set this either down on this stand or mount it behind the TV. I haven't decided yet. I'll consult with the customer and see what they would like us to do. Keep in mind, guys, we are your Samsung dealer. If you'd like to purchase this item, we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. So I'm going to give you a visual here of the TV itself. Has this nice wood grain type finish on it, just like the Connect One box. There's where the Connect One cable connects down here. We have our TV mount bolting position here, which you can see this mount did work well for. This is the exact model here, guys. Okay guys, well this is the unboxing of the Samsung 900R. This is the 75-inch model here mounted on the wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you'd like to make a purchase, give us a call or shoot us an email. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.